Hello, sewing friends. It's Alice Murray with Murr-Made Designs, and you have joined me on day 29 of 365 days of sewing makes. That's almost a month. We're almost to a month. I can't believe it. Thank you for hanging in there. Please subscribe. Please share this video. Please like this video. I appreciate it very much. And today I want to show you something kind of fun. I'll show you and then I'll show you the pattern. Got a t-shirt and a cute little jean skirt. It has some patches on it. Just a loose hem. You can see paint from where I've painted things. And then this cute little t-shirt. So the t-shirt, you're going to be seeing this pattern a lot, is Kwik Sew 3766. I love this pattern. It goes together really great. There's long sleeve and short sleeve versions with the bigger neck or the smaller neck, which is what this is. A very easy pattern. If you're beginning to sew, you want this pattern. And I made this out of a, it's kind of a heavy knit. Not a double knit, but just not a really thin ITY. It's not a scuba or a ponte, but it's got a little bit of body to it. And I was just really drawn to it because of the color. I thought it was very pretty. And this I just made from a remnant from a dress that I made that I'll be showing you a different day. But this skirt, I think, is super fun. And what I was doing was I was just kind of looking online at, you know, what's the fashion, what's the trend, what's in, if you're going to make something. And because I don't go to the mall anymore, I don't know what's in, I don't know what's not in. And according to the internet, patchwork's a big. Jean skirts in big, especially if they're kind of used looking. Well, I definitely have some used jeans, so I just put this little skirt together, took an old pair of my jeans that I painted in, made a few patches out of leftover material and put them on and sewed around them. And in no time at all, I had this cute little jean skirt. And I love it. I actually wear it way more than I wore the jeans that I had kind of reserved for painting. And I do paint from time to time, but not that often. So this jean skirt, I got good use out of this summer. So that's something, if you're sewing, you can easily do too. There's all sorts of tutorials online how to make jean skirts, and that's where I got the information about this one. And yeah. Give you one more twirl. Well, and today my grateful thread is I have such gratitude for I don't know, is it perseverance? Whatever it is that has helped me hang in here for this first month. Tomorrow I will have a very special guest for you, and I'm going to also post tomorrow all of the pictures of all the clothing that I've made just in my Facebook page, and I'd love to hear from you tomorrow. We'll announce this officially tomorrow, but if you could just vote, just tell me which was your favorite make for the month of September. I would love to hear that. That would be great feedback. So I hope that you are sewing. And I hope these little videos have maybe inspired you to sew, to start again, or just start. Because sewing is so much fun.